Hey Gary, good afternoon. It's Anne Marie again. This is another tutorial for you for the read aloud and how to get it to YouTube. You've recorded your story, The Dot. It came out fabulous. The voices are hysterical. The kids are going to absolutely love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick pretend one and show you what comes next. Now, this video will cut off, and then I'm going to have to actually videotape how I upload it to YouTube using my cell phone, because once you stop the Screencast-O-Matic, it stops recording. So I can't show you how to upload it using Screencast. I have to make the video first, save it, but for you to see me save it, I have to switch to a video I'll make using my cell phone. So here we go. So you've got dinosaurs don't do, or I'm sorry, dinosaurs don't, dinosaurs do. And so we're pretending we're reading a story. Yay, dinosaurs do share and yada, yada, yada. And that is why everyone loves dinosaurs. Okay, great. So now that your story's done, you would go back down here, right here, and you would press your pause button. Now, once I press pause, the video will actually stop. And so when that stops, you'll need to go to the very next video I send you using my cell phone. And then that will end our lovely tutorial on how to get the read aloud done. You've been a wonderful audience.